Hi guys, we're back working on our science notebook. We are going to go through the front in our tools and skills section where you guys had your rubric, your big money words, and like your scientific method. Just make sure that you guys have a writing utensil, a glue stick, scissors, and any colors that you may need. So we are going to open through the front page here. We are going to go to our next empty page. Mine is next to my testable questions. When you guys are looking through here, if you go back to the scientific method, we are actually starting to work through these. We did our testable questions in the last video, and today we're going to start working on writing a hypothesis. So you guys are going to grab your writing a hypothesis page, and we are going to start gluing it in there. Remember to cut on the dotted lines, not on the solid. And then take your glue stick, and we're gonna go around the edge on this upside down L. And remember, only put the glue on the outside so you can still use your flaps. And I'm going to kind of move it down a little bit because we are going to write up top, and I'm having it lined up on my red line. So we are going to learn today what do scientists use to write a hypothesis. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go top down. So we're gonna talk about the cause. And this will kind of give you some words or some ways that you can say it and give you some ideas. We are going to be working on this too later. Okay, the first one is under cause. You're gonna flip it over and you're gonna write if. And put 3 dots. Okay, the cause is how the scientist will change the independent variable. Okay. I move down to effect, and we will kind of talk about these words that you're writing down on these flaps once we finish filling these in. So flip over the effect, fold it on the solid line, and write then. And some dots. The effect is how the scientist predicts the dependent variable will change. And then reasoning, we're gonna pop over now. And then we're going to write the word because. The reasoning is the scientists' explanation based on their current understanding and their research. So for an example, if you're talking about a hypothesis, you could say with my testable question, you have to have a testable question. So if I'm gonna say, I'm gonna leave my plant in the sun without watering it. If I put a plant in my window, then ignore it for 3 weeks without water, it will die because plants need water to survive. We are going to go through and do or write our own hypothesis together after you guys finish doing this video. Feel free to pause so you guys can read all of this. I know it's a lot of words, so pause it so you can get all of it written down. Thank you.